VORAMER adhesives use high-pressure spray equipment to apply the two-component polyurethane system in the construction process. Before applying, ensure that temperatures and pressures are specific to the VORAMER adhesive system being used. VORAMER MB 3099 and VORAMER MB 3022 work best with temperatures between 90 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures between 500 and 1000 psi. Before spraying, check the pressure in line. If it's too low, the system won't mix properly. If too high, the spray will be non-uniform, resulting in inconsistent application. As a rule of thumb, you want to avoid going too low, but higher is not always better. Ensure there is enough material on the polyol and iso sides of the machine, and there is proper feed into the high-pressure spray machine. Check the level of material in the container, and that valves leading to the machine are open. For startup, turn on the machine and confirm the hoses are heating up. Depending on the length, spray hoses generally take 15 to 20 minutes to reach adequate temperatures. Double-check the temperature set points on the material and hoses, as they should be close to the same. When working with the two-component system, you may want to slightly increase the temperature set point for the thicker component. This will be shown as a pressure difference between the A side and B side. A good range is between 0 to 300 psi. The component that is lower in pressure can be adjusted by increasing the temperature to equalize. With these steps in mind, you are ready for a safe startup and application. A reminder on safe handling and proper PPE. Be sure to avoid contact with unreacted chemicals, and avoid allowing the polyol and especially the isocyanate to come into contact with your skin or your eyes. Should this happen, refer to the MSDS for proper first aid and hygiene instructions. The person applying the VORAMER adhesives should wear safety goggles and a full face shield. Persons working near where the product is being applied should wear safety glasses with side shields. Wear gloves when handling the unreacted chemicals or when applying the mixed materials. Nitrile or polybutadiene gloves are recommended as they provide resistance to the isocyanate and are also tear resistant. Wear proper protective clothing over the arms and any exposed skin that may come into contact with the materials. Paper suits are acceptable protection as long as they are discarded after being stained with unreacted chemical. Apply the materials in a well-ventilated area. If the possibility of respiratory exposure exists, wear a half-mask respirator with NIOSH-approved cartridges for organic chemicals. If ventilation is poor in the area where the material is being applied, a full-face positive pressure respirator is required.